Okay guys, welcome to my new video. With this video guys, I want to make a review for Turbo website traffic. If this website real or scam, if you getting traffic from this website, real traffic. So I decide to test this website, and I want to show you exactly how I am doing this. So first, if you don't know what website I am talking about, is Turbo. Here is it. Go to Google and type Turbo website traffic. You can see it in the first on Google. You can click it and log in to this website. You can click this logo and you will see a different product on this website. So I decide to try to test this website using my landing page. So I will show you my results from this website, the traffic I am getting from this website. This is a real traffic, and this is a worldwide traffic. So let's go to my Google Analytics. Okay, let's go to my landing page. Okay, and the traffic that I am getting from Turbo website traffic. Okay, let's go to let's go first to all traffic referrals. Okay, Turbo website traffic. Okay, so you can see here from Turbo website traffic.com, I am getting a lot of traffic. You can see here, okay? This is a real traffic. If you can see this traffic on your Google Analytics, then this is a real traffic. You can see here every day, here 6,000, 7,000 visitors, 3,000 visitors, 2,000 visitors. Okay, here's 600. So from this website you can get, let's say, hundreds of, maybe thousands of visitors every single day. This is a real traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link, your website, your landing page, like I do here. This is a worldwide traffic, like I said, and let's say one more thing. Okay, you can see here new users over 100,000. Okay, you get the point. Okay, this is the traffic that you can get from Turbo website traffic. This is a real traffic, and of course, if your product is good and convert, you will get a lot of leads and commission and sales from this website. So where is the traffic comes from? This traffic comes from YouTube, Facebook, PTC websites. Their big list, and more and more. Okay, if you order on this website, they will promote your website everywhere. and you will get real human traffic to your affiliate link. So how this work? You can see here in the top the logo for this website, and you can see here advertising. Okay, you can see here advertising. So all you have to do is click advertising, and you will see, you will get this form. Okay, you have to put your name here and your email and your URL or link or anything you want to promote. You can promote ClickBank affiliate link, you can promote the CPA offers, your blog and your landing page. Okay, and you have to read and accept the terms of use and check this and make order. Okay, so turbo website traffic, this is a real traffic. You can get unlimited traffic, hundreds of visitors every single day to your affiliate link. I think this is the best traffic that you can get to your website and build your list or get a commission or everything you want. Okay, very important to get real traffic, and this website will give you a real traffic to your affiliate link. So this website is real. This not a scam. This is a good traffic that you need to get to your links and get leads and commission. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this quick video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you again. Good luck.